Once upon a time, in the darkness. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how did all of this begin? It's a question that has fascinated humans for ages. Where did Earth come from? Where did the stars and the moon come from? Well, gather round, young explorers, as we journey back in time to uncover the epic tale of Earth's creation. Imagine a time long, long ago when there was no Earth, no sun, not even any light. There was only a tiny, incredibly hot and dense speck. It was smaller than a grain of sand, yet it held within it the seeds of everything we see around us today. This tiny speck was about to do something incredible, something that would change everything. It was about to go bang! And then, light! And bang it did! About 13.8 billion years ago, this tiny speck exploded with unimaginable force. This explosion, which scientists call the Big Bang, wasn't like any fireworks display you've ever seen. It was the birth of the universe itself. The Big Bang sent energy and matter hurtling outwards in all directions, creating space as it went. It was like inflating a giant balloon, but instead of air, it was filled with the building blocks of stars, planets, and even you and me. As the universe expanded and cooled, this energy and matter began to clump together. These clumps would eventually become the first stars and galaxies. But our story focuses on one special corner of the universe, where something amazing was about to happen. In this corner of the universe, a giant cloud of gas and dust swirled and danced. Over millions of years, gravity pulled this cloud together, squeezing it tighter and tighter. As the cloud shrank, it began to spin faster and faster, like a spinning top. The center of this swirling cloud grew incredibly hot, so hot that it ignited a giant nuclear furnace. And just like that, a star was born. Our very own sun. The sun's powerful gravity kept the remaining gas and dust swirling around it in a giant disk. This disk, called a protoplanetary disk, held the ingredients for everything else in our solar system, including our very own planet Earth. Within the swirling disk around the young sun, tiny particles of dust and ice collided and stuck together. Over time, these particles grew larger and larger, forming pebbles, then boulders, and eventually entire planets. One of these planets, about 4.5 billion years ago, was our Earth. But it wasn't the blue and green planet we know and love today. Early Earth was a scorching hot ball of molten rock, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. It was a violent and chaotic time, but from this fiery chaos, something incredible was about to emerge.